Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase bowling speed in cricket. To start, focus on your run-up. It's the foundation for generating pace. Ensure it's smooth and powerful, building momentum towards the crease. Then, concentrate on your gather, bringing your arms and body into an optimal position for delivery. This initial phase sets up everything else, so make it count for maximum velocity. Next, let's talk about your action. A high arm action is vital for imparting speed and bounce. As you release the ball, drive through with your front arm and engage your core for that explosive power. Don't forget the follow-through. It helps maintain balance and ensures all your energy is transferred into the ball. A strong, balanced landing is key to preventing injury and preparing for the next delivery. Physical conditioning plays a huge role in increasing your bowling speed. Incorporate plyometric exercises like box jumps to build explosive power in your legs. Strengthen your core, shoulders, and back with targeted exercises to support your bowling action and prevent injuries. Regular practice of specific bowling drills, focusing on rhythm and coordination, will also significantly enhance your pace and consistency on the pitch. Finally, consistent practice is non-negotiable for seeing real improvement in your bowling speed. Regularly record your bowling sessions and review them to identify areas for refinement in your technique. Small adjustments can lead to significant gains over time. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies in this journey. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.